Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I already have my winter tires put on. Well, long story short, this is not how I was planning on starting the video. Originally I was going to go to Walmart to have these tires put on, but then even though I had an appointment and even though I got there on time, the associate said that he can't do anything with the rims because they're not 18-inch rims. They're aftermarket rims, and I strictly use winter tires on them. Well, that was a bummer. It's like waste of time even calling Walmart to set up an appointment since they can't even do anything. Oh well. So I went to the Aurora Firestone instead, since the Oswego one was booked for the next week, because I had to have my winter tires put on today for safety, because it is snowing, and there was a lot of snow in my neighborhood this morning. And I drove on the ice and snow with the All Seasons. And I can safely say all season tires are not meant for snow, especially if you have two-wheel drive. So I highly recommend getting winter tires, even if you have four-wheel drive. They will change your life. Because a two-wheel drive car with winter tires, as I've said many times in the past, is safer than a four-wheel drive car with summer or all-season tires. In fact, I honestly think the all-season name is a bad name. It should just be three-season tires, because they're not the best in winter like an all-weather tire or a dedicated winter tire would be. So there you go. Everything from there on out went to plan. Got my all seasons in the back. I'm gonna put them away once I get home. So if you're watching this and you're wondering if you need winter tires and you live in an area where it snows a lot, I'd say get them. Because safety first. I mean, even if you don't have much money, look for the cheapest winter tires you can buy. Because any winter tire, no matter how expensive it is or how cheap it is, whatever, it's going to be better than even the best all-season tire that you can buy. So that's all for this video. Just a short update. Smash the thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. Turn on post notifications. Do what you do best. Peace out until next time.